Hi guys, today I will be sharing how to make Taiwanese pineapple cake. First thing we need to do is to drain 2 cans of 435 grams of crushed pineapples. All in all, we need 2 cups. So drain the liquid, most of it. And then we need to get 2 cups. So this is the 2 cups of crushed pineapple. This is cinnamon stick. If you can't find cinnamon stick, you can leave it out. This is 1 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. In a pot, we're gonna combine all the ingredients together. So add the pineapple, the sugar, the cinnamon stick, and the brown sugar. We're gonna cook this with the heat setting medium to high heat. We're just gonna continue to stir this until the liquid is gone and the pineapple is clumping together, which I will show you in a minute. And this is now ready. Most of the liquid is gone and the pineapple is clumping together. Put it in a bowl and let it cool down completely. 1 3/4 cup of cake flour, 1/4 cup of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 egg yolks, 3 tablespoons of powdered milk, half a cup of room temperature butter. To begin, we're gonna combine the powdered milk and the cake flour. Give it a mix and then set this aside. Using a whisk, beat the butter, then add the vanilla. Add the icing sugar. Continue mixing this until everything is well combined. Then add the 2 egg yolks. Stop to scrape down the side of the bowl before adding in the cake flour mixture. Now add the cake flour mixture. At the start, use the spatula to mix the ingredients. Then use the handheld mixer to lightly beat the dough. At this point, use your hands to lightly knead the dough. If you find that the dough is too dry, you can add water, a teaspoon at a time. So here I can feel that my dough is too dry, so I'm adding a teaspoon of water. In all, I added 6 teaspoons. Then you just gonna cover the dough with cling wrap and let it rest in the fridge for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius and then divide your dough about 30 grams each. I am using a pineapple cake mold in here, but you can use like a cookie cutter or just shape it and then bake it. So here I've rolled the dough into a circle and then flatten like a bowl. Add the filling in the center, then enclose the pineapple jam or the filling. If it's cracking, just pinch it together, or if it's cracking too much, that means you need to add a little bit more of water. Then press the dough into the mold that you have. You can buy this mold on eBay. I will put the link in the description box below. Then just keep on going until you finish up with all the dough and all the pineapple filling. And this is what they look like. We're gonna bake this in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, we're gonna take it out of the oven, and then we're gonna flip this upside down, and then we're gonna continue baking this for about 15 minutes or until the top is slightly golden brown. This will go back in the oven now. And this is what it looks like after baking. At this point, we're gonna unmold it. Unfortunately, you cannot eat this straight away. It's best for you to let it sit overnight before eating. Put it in an airtight container. And again, let it rest overnight. It will give the chance for the pastry to soften up. Because if you eat it straight away, the pastry is too flaky. And this is the finished product. This is so good. I can guarantee that you're gonna like it. I know this one doesn't look like the one that you can buy from the store. It really looks like homemade. But the taste, it is so good. By the way, I used pure pineapple filling. The ones that you can buy from the store use half winter melon. And just to show you what it looks like inside when you cut the pineapple cake. Please do give it a try even if you don't have a mold. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!